Hello and welcome back to Hard Reset Info. In this video I will show you how to fix your phone heating while charging for Google Pixel 10 Pro XL. Let's begin! Now, for the very beginning of the video, I want to just mention that it's completely okay if your phone heats up while you charge it. It's completely normal, and this is basically just how battery works. However, if your video and your battery is heating up very high, like incredibly high, then this means that you probably want to have it checked. But of course, technically we can't really be sure how high the battery should be. I would say that generally speaking, if it's so high that you can barely touch it, then you probably should worry. But if you're not, you don't really have anything to worry about. However, we have the ability to simply go into our settings, then scroll down and go into battery, and finally go into battery diagnostics. Then we can go into phone is very warm, and as you can see, we don't really have anything because our device isn't really being charged up now. But if we would, then this means that, well, unfortunately, we would have to, well, basically connect your phone to the charging, and then you would see your temperature. Of course, if your problem with battery is very large, you can always just go into contact support, or you can go into, for example, the Google Workshop or Google Store and have your phone checked there. It's completely up to you. But generally speaking, if the temperature is okay, like it's okay to hold your phone in your hands, and it's not very dangerous, like it's not burning or up, you probably are just good to go. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.